Hi traders, it's Charles here from TradeView and welcome to episode 251 of Trading Talk. For this week's episode, I'm going to show you how I take a trading idea from just an idea through to clearly defining what the rules actually are so that I can automate it in TradeView X. If you've ever been challenged by working out how to approach building your trading idea, then this episode is for you. Don't worry, you're not alone. It's actually one of the most common questions we get. I just don't know where to start. If you follow the process shown in this episode when building your models, it becomes much easier for us to assist you when you do reach a sticking point. Of course, if you want to see this process in action, come to the Algo conference in November, where you'll see how 3 of the world's best traders define and build their models step by step. It's the fastest way to really move forward with your trading. I hope you enjoy episode 251 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.